Hi, today we will continue working on our mug design. The first type of design I want to make is a effect like this one, which I showed you in my previous video. Effect like this, or you can go to my Etsy shop and visit mug sublimation design area, and you will see every different type of, like for example, this is a different type of marbling design, and you can see how beautiful colors are distributed across the canvas. So every part of the mug is interesting. Either you are looking at a on a left hand side or right hand side or middle. Every part is interesting, and this particular design comes in 6 different color variations, and I think that people really like this black color for some reason. This is a gray scale marble, and this is really popular. So we will start with something like this. Today we are going to try to make a design with a liquify effect. So our base layer is ready. This is a canvas which is 3.5 inches tall and 9 inches wide, which will wrap easily around on an 11-ounce mug. So first of all, I always use a background color. So this is a background color which is by default locked white, which I always leave, and I do not want to leave any severe transparency, so the sublimation printer will print well if the colors are solid and good. I always choose a background color, and I always choose with some sort of a light color, and for this time I'll choose blue. So this is also, you are looking at how the color wheel is used. So I'll just choose a light blue, and on it I will start building my design. So on a layer 1, I'll just click this button, bring the color here. Here you go. This is how the whole canvas is filled beautifully with colors like that. Now I will lock this layer. This is a layer, and you just push it here on the other side, and you get following option. You can clear, duplicate, or lock the layer. I will lock the layer. Now this layer is locked. Now for the new layer, I'll just click plus. Now this new layer is ready. There are so many options. If you click here, there are options here available. If you click on this N, there are options here available, which we will go through slowly. But for now, I'll just build my simple marble effect on Procreate with the help of Liquify tool. So first of all, I'll put some colors. I choose my brush, and I choose values of blue. So I'll just first choose dark blue, then I'll choose lighter, and then lighter, more lighter, and here you go. So I will choose the dark blue color. I will choose a simple brush which comes with the Procreate. So let's start with a painting brush. I'll just choose wet acrylic. It gives me many options, and this brush is ready to go. So I'll just start putting some color, increase the size, and put different colors and with different value, because with light and dark it will really look good. And decrease the size of the brush, choose even dark colors, and keep on building the design. And here you can see we have different type of colors on our canvas. I'll choose just a lighter color, so I have a variety Now I'll just simply go to, I'll put some more color here to give it a variety. And now we have laid our colors out. I'll go to adjustments area and select Liquify. Now there are options. This is your design. You can do whatever you want by changing all these options as you wish. So I'll just bring distortion up. So this is down, I'll bring it up. I'll choose push. So everything is at max. So if this is a big and full of options Liquify effect, which you can use any way you like. I'll just show you from the start. So this is size, pressure, distortion, momentum, and push. What push does? It pushes the colors like this. Trill right, it will beautifully trill right. It will change the color like this. Trill left, it will change the color like this. Now, if you don't like this setting, you can just hit reset and all your things go back to normal. Now we will start actually using it as I like it. So I will decrease the size, I will decrease the distortion, and now I will use trill right. Now look, there is a different effect. Trill left, the effect will change. If I increase the size, the effect will be changing. So this is a really good design and I really like it. I'll just decrease the size, make it more lively, and here you go. Your marble effect is almost ready. Now I can also decrease the size, use push to fill this area and increase a little bit. Fill this area so this is equally beautiful. So here you go. Your marble effect is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to process this design and I will put it in my shop. So how I will transfer this canvas to my computer and then we will put this on the mug. Let's see what happens. So I'll keep you updated for this design. Thank you for now. See you in next video.